Okay, so we have lots of cars stuck on the road. Very hard to make a right turn. So let's see how we do here. It's pretty much that. Okay, hopefully this camera can show properly. There we go. So we are stuck here at the traffic light, but let's see what's happening. Okay. Waiting for the lights. Okay, let's see now if I can make a right turn here on Woodbine. I see a lot of cars have hard time. Okay, looks like we're through. Oh wow, that was intense. Oh wow, this is intense. So you see what's happening? A lot of cars that are low are not gonna be able to make it on that turn there. So that's pretty intense. Oh wow, this is something. So looks like the bike season is finally over until these streets get cleaned up so we can ride again. Okay, let's turn the street, turn the lane. This guy's suffering a bit. Oh, I can see the traction control going off here. So let's see. Wow, this is something. Wow, my car is sliding. Oh wow. Wow. Gotta slow down. That's something. Wow. It's quite slippery. So if you're coming down and you have a light that could possibly change, you really have to be careful, because I can feel the road is quite slippery. So this is something. Wow. See what I'm saying? Now you're not going to be able to make a right on this street because it hasn't been plowed, and that's something that you have to be careful. Now I'm driving now southbound, so let's see once we head southbound if the situation is going to improve a little bit, but I'm not positive. I'm not expecting anything to improve, but let's see. Wow. Now I'm gonna try not to make this video too long, maybe just under 10 minutes, so you guys could get an idea, and that's pretty much that. I don't want to bore you for too long, but it's pretty dangerous for now. However, I do think tomorrow it will clear quite a bit. Now I'm approaching Toronto. I'm going from Markham, exiting Markham, heading into Toronto. So this is the area that I'm at, the 404 and Steeles Avenue. That's the area that I'm at. Trying to heat up the car so the windshield is clean. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Traction light is on. It's definitely a little bit slippery. However, here we go. Now you see on the right here, these side streets and entrances haven't been cleaned up, you know. So for you guys, you see, you may get stuck in there. I've seen quite a few people stuck there. So that's something you have to keep in mind during the first night. It is quite slippery, I will say that. Okay. You see, none of these streets have been plowed yet. So that's the area where I see a lot of people being stuck. Okay, that's pretty much that. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we have a little bit more snow over here approaching the city. Okay, wow. This is something. Gotta elevate at the light. So some areas of the city have gotten more snow, some less. So you see. But it is quite dangerous out there, so I don't see any accidents on my GPS on 404, so we're gonna head down on 404 southbound. See, these guys are suffering to make a right turn. This okay, this hill will be intense. See, these guys slow me down a little bit, but looks like we are now on top of the hill. I'm on 404 heading southbound, and let's see. So that's pretty much that. This is the major storm, the first major storm of this year. That's pretty much that. Take care, like, subscribe, and bye-bye.